Good afternoon, everybody. So today is our last new lesson in our angle and triangle unit. And this one's called Angle, Angle, Triangle, Similarity. It sounds like a weird poem. But it has to do with if I have two angles in the triangle, can I prove they're similar? Okay, so based on what we've learned about congruence, about transformation, about congruent angles, we're now going to put it together to learn this very foundational piece of geometry. Okay, and we're going to start with how can information about triangles and angle measurements prove triangles are similar? Okay, if two angles of one triangle are congruent, and I did not really leave enough room, okay, to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. Okay? Remember, triangles are 180 degrees in total angle measurement. And remember, okay, this symbol, the equal sign with a squiggle, means congruent. This symbol, just the little swivel, means similar. Okay? And here's why. If you look at example 1, they have at least two congruent angles. They're the same measurement, and they're marked here by lines. A matches K, C matches M, B matches L. And if you look at this notation, triangle ABC is similar to triangle KLM. It matches up. But notice this one's bigger. Okay, KLM is bigger. So they are not congruent. They have different side lengths. One is expanded, but it's expanded proportionally, so it is still similar. It still has a ratio of sides, and it has congruent or equal, okay, angle measurements. So all you need to know is if A is congruent to M, okay? So let's do an example. And I'm just gonna put a question mark above the similarity symbol here. Okay. Is this triangle congruent or similar, to this triangle? Well, if this is 50 degrees and this is 70 degrees, okay, and this is 50 degrees, what would I have to know to prove these are similar? I would have to find out, okay, through solving an equation, through measurement, through whatever means, I would have to find out that either this one is 70 degrees, don't know yet, or, right, what would it have to be a whole triangle? Well, 50 and 70 is 120. So this one would have to be 60. Okay? Because 50 plus 70 plus I don't know what So I can find the third one when I have only two. But if I have only one, I'm going to have to prove one of these. If two of the angles turn out to be congruent, it is similar. Okay, so we're going to write that down one more time to really drive it home. If two triangle angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Period. All right. I cannot wait to see you in class, and we'll do a little problem solving with a few like this.